Welcome to my channel, Planning with Maserati. I am going to be doing a decorate with me for the week of April 15th through the 21st. So before I begin, welcome. Please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. I know I'm missing one pouch. Oh, on the side of me. For the days of the week, and I have some weather stickers next to me, or was next to me. And yeah, let's begin. So as I am looking for what I'm looking for, which is the stickers, besides the sticker book I will be using, and then I need that. Okay, so the days of the week, weather, and coffee. So again, April 15th through the 21st. So we are going to decorate all these pages. I needed to continue on with the days of the week. So we're going to go ahead and start with that first. I'm going to go with the lighter color now. I'm just using these, just to get them used. So Saturday, and then last one is Sunday. The last page is a note page for the following week. So we're going to worry about that later. So, like, I didn't fill in Sunday, but this would have been the note page for this week. I'll do that at a later time. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this here. So the sticker book I'm going to be using is I have no idea. There's a bunch of stickers in here. So we're just going to use these. Whatever's in here, we're going to use. We'll probably most likely use the rainbow stickers though, because it's more functional. And then if I need like cutesy stickers, I could go in here. So let's start with the dates. So we're gonna do. Let me check the weather for today. Okay. I don't want to say it because then they'll speak. Okay, let me just type it in. I'm on the tablet doing it. Alright, so I have the whole week. Okay, cool. So today is the 15th, so it's the 70. Is it today's? Yeah, so 71. That's right, that was not 71. Okay, so today's the 15th, 24, and then where it says memo is where I go ahead and put the weather. 71, 49. I don't have my white out, which is, I'm going to try to just go like this. And then when I get my white out, I can fix it. And then for 16, 24 is going to be, yeah. Tomorrow's going to be rain. 76 to 63. Can you tell that the weather is completely changing? Like, we went from no winter to spring with a little bit of winter to summer, basically. Okay, so we got those two pages. We're going to work on these two. Alright, so I'm going to grab these pages out and see what we have here. I'm going to use a today, and I'm not worried about like the color scheme or anything like that. It's just more functional. Down here I put, and I go backwards, I go up, okay, instead of going down. Snack, dinner, lunch, breakfast. Okay, so, and then I just write meals. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, so I'm going to make these two colors look pretty much the same. So like my little to-dos. I'm going to go ahead and take a coffee sticker, because I just had coffee sitting right there. And I'm just going to put Dunkin'. Or DD, whatever one. So, Dunkin' D. Dunkin' D. Next, I'm going to use the to-do. That is going to be like my cleaning. The only thing is I do verse of the day here, social media here, and then anything else like calling. I did have a phone call today to make, so I rescheduled, which I'll do on the bottom. Where did that pen go? Oh. I'm using the Bic Gelocity, so rescheduled Loyola appointment for 9 a.m. in Maywood. I went to the wrong location today, so I had to reschedule. And then I'll use Noted for the social media. It's basically like batch filming and things like that. Okay, so that page I'm not using right now. Let's see. Do I have another one of those pages? I hope so. I should have kind of did purple. Let me see what's in here. Sometimes you get multiples right here. Here's the other page. Okay. So where it says noted, I'll just do note to self, because I'm kind of running out of them. So then I go backwards. Snack, dinner, lunch, breakfast. And then this just gives me what I need. We'll do a now for like a to-do. We'll go to this line. Okay, so here we have verse of the day. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Bible app. Oh, wrong one. I am not trying to play that Diddy stuff on my tablet. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Okay, so the verse of the day today is James 1:19. Okay, so I won't know any of that information until tomorrow. So here it's defrost hamburger meat. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. Alright, so let's go to, so dinner will be probably tacos or something. This is to clean, so that's fine. So we're going to go to the next page real quick. Oh, wait, let's get this sticker. Just like right in the middle, I kind of put it, like get it done. It's not really decorative, because I prefer it more functional. Okay. So let's go ahead and do the 17th. We're going to come back to the rest of them. And then the 18th. And with that weather, because I don't need the Bible now because, Masari's messing up. Wrong one, Masari. Right there. Okay. So the 17th, which is Wednesday. And then I do this Wednesday, Thursday. So Wednesday is going to be 70 to 50. Well, Thursday's going to be 63 to 48. Okay. So again, snack, dinner, lunch, breakfast, meals. I forgot to put hydrate. Usually I have a sticker for that. And then meals. Let's do, I need to see two colors. We're going to go with this one. And then we're going to go into like decorating once I have all these stickers. So here we go. Verse of the day. Then I go in with other stickers later on when I'm at this point. Keep in mind, I will not know the rest of the day until the day of. Okay, and then we're gonna do, again, we could do what to do here. I noted here. Okay. Again, seize the day. I like that. Note to self for the note it. I was already just put that crooked. Looking for like what I had here, which I think I already did. I already used some of them. This is a good way to use your stickers up that you're not needing. So remember to do, that's fine. I got note to self. This is to clean, so we need another one here. We'll do must do today. Because this is like rest of the day devotional. And then, kind of good on that one for now. Okay, so the next color is going to be probably red. This one has the most. Okay. That's going to be Friday and Saturday. So I'm just getting these pages ready. Sorry, right sloppy. So this one is the 19th and 20th. Okay, just making sure I didn't rewrite something. Okay, so here on the 19th is a Friday and Saturday. So Friday is 58 to 44. It's supposed to rain Wednesday and Thursday. I should put stickers there. And then Saturday is 56 to 41. Let's get some rain stickers for Wednesday and Thursday. It doesn't look like thunder, so we're good on that. It has a little cloud. It doesn't show moon, so I might have to use it because I don't see any. Oh, here we go. I was gonna say I don't see any more rain stickers. But this last one right here. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna close my door. 1 second. Sorry about that. I had to close the door, and then I ended up picking up 2 more of the sticker books. Okay. So that takes care of that part. These stickers are getting so old. So we're going to do, again, a red. So I'm going to do the to-do here. I kind of like trying to get it in the, I like to be productive. I'm going to put both the same. I kind of like having both of them. Well, no, that's going to go into the rest of the day. Let me see. If I could fit it, I will fit it. Oh no, that one's good. And that one's good. Okay, so rest of the day. You're probably like, what is she doing? Setting up her pages like this. That's what I'm thinking. Like, what is she doing? I'm going to put note to self. That's social media. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit different. One, I want to put It's the Weekend. Just a big old slappy sticker right there. And a little to do right here. Just changing it up a little bit. Here we have, we got to-dos. Even though it's to-do here, but this is like to-do, like errands, to-do cleaning. I could actually put that. Well, maybe I should have just did today or something. My writing is like sloppy today. And then, what else do I need out of here? We'll put a little love this. We'll put the plan. Okay, so that's those stickers. Now I am going to go in with, I'll leave them out just in case. See anything in here? Okay, so I might want to set up the week if I have enough time. We're going to come to this page, and what I'm going to do is set up kind of like my week. Wait. So what I do is I just kind of like go with the lines. So this is going to be no spend. And did I hydrate? I need one for vitamins as well. Okay, so I'm just looking through this book really quick. We'll put this here just to cover that up. Oh, I like that. So we'll put this here. Separates the day. Let's use a Supermom. Why not? And we'll just cover it up right here. That's all I do for that. Okay. I'm going to take this page out because I'm going to use it for something else. And then I want to... I have appointments. So I'll put one here. And one, I think there's two. 1, 2. Either 2 or 3, but I'm going to leave it just 2 for now. This one looks so crooked. And then I want to leave, like I'm using the colors that we used for goals, which that's red. So I'm going to see what we have here. Errands, get it done. I don't know why I keep saying Here we go. Some goals. We'll do it like this. So it looks kind of cute. There's that. Now I am just looking to see any of the stickers. Nope. Okay. This is the spring stickers, which is going to be off in color. We can put some floral. No, it's off in color. I don't like doing like colors that are weird. I kind of like this though. Why not put something like that there? We can put kind of like this one on the bottom because it kind of matches. Just to hold it down. Alright, so let's get done with Sunday. Sunday, I don't know what color I'm going to use because it's just one. Maybe go back to the purple. God, I'm sorry, you make a mess. Okay, so 421. And Sunday, I'll mark that off. Hope you understand what I'm doing here. 53 to 40. And then this is for the following week. Dinner, lunch, and then breakfast. And then meals. Don't mind my reading. Okay, so again, it's the weekend. So I like to put it twice. It just gives a good way of using stickers. So the now, the to-do, see how I switch it up? The noted. We'll put so busy. Do I really think I'm that busy? For this, I'm going to use this one. Change it up a little bit. And I have so much room to write. Okay, so there's that. So these are done. Because I don't need anything else from here. Now let's put these in here because these are not going to be the color. And let's check to see what's in here now. There's that one, but we could put one of these girls. We'll put a smaller version. She has her planner, so she has her planner life. I think I'll go down here with it. Because whatever I don't do here, I put more information on the bottom. I'm going to put this word, Daydreamer. These stickers, I don't know why they don't stick like that. Leave that one out because I'm going to use that one as well for other stuff. And let's see the rainbow. We just did all of these. We got so busy already. Oh, my camera. We're about to die. Adventure, that's cute. Today be an encourager. I like that. Let's see where we can put this. But I'm gonna cut it, so I'm putting it twice somewhere. Like that. And we'll put this one here. And then this one we can put, I have no idea. Maybe like right here. It looks weird, but it looks fine. And that is it for this video. I don't really go in as far as putting that many stickers down. Things like this is fine, or if it was something on the bottom like wording, that would be fine. But for this, I just did it because it had the purple. And then look at that. How cute is that? It's an Erin Condren notepad. I just used the back of for like a bookmark. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. That'd be greatly appreciated. As always, thank you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.